This video is a step-by-step guide on how you can simply get ChatGPT on your favorite Android device. All you need to do is open your Play Store. Now you have to search ChatGPT. After searching ChatGPT, you can see easily here ChatGPT by OpenAI. Remember, it should be from OpenAI. You can see on the screen, and it should be logo like this. Then you can simply click on install. If it's not updated, you can click on update, and your simply ChatGPT will be on your device. Again, I'm saying it should be from OpenAI because there are so many fake GPTs and similar GPTs. After downloading it, you have to just simply log in. After logging in, you can simply chat with it. You can simply ask any question that you want to ask. It's so simple that you can create images, summarize text, and do whatever you can, whatever you want with the ChatGPT. Remember, ChatGPT should be from OpenAI. I'm saying it again because there are a lot of people who does the same commit mistakes. I'll see you in the next one.